me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason? Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So right now vlog girl, they are check-in. When I hear it echo, because right now I'm in the elevator. I'm about to go pick up church from school, my little niece. You know what I mean? So I'm actually late right now, 5 minutes late, so yeah. Soon check in back with them. So right now I have a video on my phone because camera dead. A zero right there.
Hello.
Yeah, camera dead, so I'm about to go charge up camera then check in back with them. So right now I'm on church there. Church in the building. She said she want pizza, so I have to stop and buy pizza. I'm gonna buy a slice for Javier, I'm gonna buy a slice for Amor. And when pizza gets a there, I pay $10 for 3 slices of pizza. It's ridiculous. But yeah, we're there. I'm about to go charge up the camera right now, so I'm gonna link on the back when the camera charge. You have nothing to say to them?
No.
What was school?
Bad.
It was fun?
No.
It was bad?
Yes.
Oh Lord.
Good thing that I have 8 more days of school.
Okay then. Javier, you want can eat off the big slice of pizza then?
Yeah?
Look where pizza bigger than your head. What type of pizza is that?
Pepperoni.
No, it's plain cheese.
Plain cheese.
Yeah. The pizza huger than your Javier. You can't even bite the half teeth in your head.
Mm-hmm.
I got a merch for you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Mm.
Oh.
Did you watch the vlog yesterday?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, good. What vlog say? Big up me what?
Pick up my museum.
Don't talk with food name out. You said what?
Do you study or pick up your kiss them?
No, jeez.
Jeez.
Big up me cheese then.
I just watched that.
Good. You skip the ads?
Huh?
You watch the commercials?
Yeah?
Alright, good. That's why you're eating pizza, because you're watching the commercial.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So vlog girl right now me there.
Wrong, yeah, man.
Yo, the light yeah bad dog, me feel like a daytime.
So I'm seeing on commercial, yeah, man. T-Mobile.
Yeah,
Yo, cut
pink
the
right
check.
there.
Cut the check, yo. Catch a drip cam. You don't know, so yo, me single, but don't tell me, girl. Don't
Yeah.
watch this, but don't tell her, please.
Don't tell.
Boom, see famous start with that.
Yeah man, we're there. And the night now, and we have vlog same way, cause you don't know vlogging never stop. So yeah, man. We're about to link up right now. Yo people, I gotta ask you something.
City floor.
I gotta ask you something. Only for people are gonna surprise for
Very nice there. Call 911.
I'm not gonna surprise for see this. Only for people don't know this. And if she don't know this, she's too young for you, bro.
Definitely too young.
If she don't know this, she's too young for you, bro. Look how it is. This is a stand for the destroyer. If you know this, comment in the comment section. And so of course, me know this. Famous, move and go, me know this. But that's not only that.
We have them on sale, you know.
Watch out.
We have them on sale, you know. What that mean? What that chat no man.
The man have him destroyer.
Chat no man. We have them on sale, you know. Chat no man.
The man walk with destroyer, people.
Chat no man.
Where the man do a foreign and walk with destroyer and destroyer stand?
So much good on the
Good question.
Western Nile virus. Think we are catching Western Nile virus.
How much fun are them in Jamaica right now?
3 coming right back. 3,000.
Destroyer. Who live in Jamaica who watch the vlog right now? Comment and let me know if Destroyer still sell. Where you even get this from?
You can't give me a secret, man.
Destroyer still sell in Jamaica? You still use Destroyer?
No, they use the vape.
Oh, the vape where you plug in and put the liquor.
Yeah, them not.
Maybe they have a vape, you know.
It's too old.
Maybe they have a vape. But yeah, if she don't know them, something she too young for you, bro. The man them have Destroyer. Right now we are looking for nice. Nobody can find nice.
They put that in the history book.
Nice. Nice link me and say I reach Mount Vernon from 1 o'clock. No, what time? 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
And we can't find nice. That's always nice.
So put out a missing report.
Yeah man, we are gonna call. If 12 o'clock come and we don't find nice, we are gonna put out we are gonna Mount Vernon police station and report him missing.
Put a missing report.
Yeah. Cause him tell me say I reach from and we are calling when I get him.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Him probably get kidnapped, who knows? So we are take it serious.
Oh God.
If him not link up by 12, we definitely are gonna Mount Vernon police station and
Nice,
you know what I mean? Nice. Yeah, so right now the plan for the night, we're not too sure what the plan for the night. But the camera battery charge up and ready, say anything I go on in a dead we do not go see it. You know what I mean? So right now we
feel some waffle and ice cream, that's what we feel.
Waffle and ice cream?
That's what I say.
Pink same feel for waffle and ice cream. Which part that tell? Nice City?
We feel so you know New Jersey after that.
We going to New Jersey tonight, so
Queens!
Yo, we'll find somewhere today. Tonight the man him say chicken and waffle?
Chicken and waffle. No, ice cream and waffle, man.
The man him say ice cream and waffle. We never eat that yet, that sound late. Hope my belly no run. You know what I mean? Yeah, so tonight we're going for ice cream and waffle.
Oh
yeah.
God, nice.
And nice I gonna miss it. That's not nice. But yeah, we're about to go link up back with the new car. Yeah, you know what I mean? Preserve the battery car. We're going on a road trip. Mad move. Right now we're here. We're in traffic around 30-minute accident. Watch a little fender bender. Oh my goodness. Fender, yo. Watch him too, yeah. No, make we go in the next fender bender, yeah.
Oh, come on with your jag, man. You.
Oh, big truck over here, so you know. Yo, me hate truck on the road, dog. I be a truck up on the road, good dog. FedEx, UPS, all of them are work tonight from overtime. But we're there. Road to the city right now. And first we see a little break. One little fender bender in the dog. What up the whole road?
Whole road and stuff.
That's crazy.
Watch out now.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So right now, my G's, you don't know, so we're there, New York nights. The city that never sleeps. Never sleeps.
Yeah. Yo, you don't know what it is, you know, we're in New York City right now, about to get some pizza, you don't know, so yo, I'm hungry right now, I can't chat.
Bigs over the Sapri hookah. Yeah, but right now they are about to go get some pizza.
It's like 12 o'clock right now, 1 o'clock in the morning.
We're about to get some. Yeah? No, some day I'm on. Yeah, we're there I look pizza. I probably on 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock right now.
I want to say what up to the vlog. I know there's a lot of people seeing, man. I probably see somebody back home, son. I want to say what up to the vlog back home.
Support, yo, how you know say man not live here?
Man?
How you know say man not live here?
He got relatives all over.
Yeah man, we're there. about to get some pizza. You don't know from you live in New York, you have to eat up all like $1 pizza, though.
I tell you already order. Let me get a size right now. What's up?
$1 pizza.
Can't wait till
Pink can't wait.
Can I get a size right now until he's ready to go there to order? We'll make the big order.
Yeah.
Back side.
Yeah. We're about to do things and show no one in the night, yeah. But I do crazy right now. Yeah, man, pizza big dog today.
Yeah, man, you can't tap on some position in that place, man. You have to get my food still already, you know. Some of them say, you know. Man, have your own pizza spot.
Man, you need to talk about which pizza better from which pizza.
Different. And you know what's the crazy shit? They cost $1. Yeah, big that.
Yo, me I tell them say out and no sleep. Wait till you go up there, say I go see what going up there, so. Thank you. Yeah, we just walk up and down and consume beer thing and support beer place. This already is still a name in pizza.
Yeah.
Beer, electric cigarette and them something them and them sir.
Yo, what's good, my guys? I got the $4 shots.
$4
Support
shots.
your local guy.
Also, we not drink.
$3 shots for you guys.
We just stop drink.
Just stop. You never stop drinking.
Just stop
You never
drink.
stop drinking. Yes, say driver. Don't stop at all. Burning marijuana on the Altima. Mr.
You
Driver.
don't drink at all.
Yo, you know drink at all, so you drink it, you know.
Not why?
Yo, don't fight it, light it, you know. Don't hold it, roll it. You have to take a sip after that, you know.
Alright.
So, what I want to do? I have drinks for $3, you know. Support the man, you know.
No, for real, me not drink for real. That's why
Good.
I consume beer.
So you guys good?
Yeah man, we're there man.
Alright.
Blessings.
Blessings.
In New York, you don't know what you expect at any time. Just expect anything at any time. Man, I sing for bigs. Feel it come. A man bunks off a pizza quick, I brush off his mouth. Yo, you know, craving people when they go like they don't get nothing, then they wipe off their mouth. Any pass or something, I catch him. Yo, me tell you, we see anything in our city.
Go play some music behind the mic. Everybody get fix it like a baseball cap.
Oh, look while she make a funny move towards me. Me run off, look while, you know. Me shut up, look. Yo, Pink Eye first man, me see make a wide step, you know. Pink make a wide step. If she's spitting on my face in the night, my face would have burned off. Yo, the city never sleep. Watch out, that's some bright.
We have abs. Yo.
Watch out, so bright.
Yo. Yo, that my mother.
Yo, man, now whole crack she go smoking at night, yeah.
Crack a kick in, man.
Crack a kick in.
I'm telling you to play some music, yeah, dog. Play some music.
The city that never sleep.
Yo.
It's like this. What time now? 12:30. And
oh, yo, that shit crazy.
this ain't even the busiest part. This man you're saying that to me right now. Yo, see spit for you, they end up in the hospital night, yeah, dog. Yo, big saying I murder that in the night, yeah, yo. Him food are bad from any little place, yeah, you know.
Damn, son, I found a parade, dog. It's parade on Sunday.
Yo, taxi people are mad, yeah, dog.
Puerto Rican parade on Sunday still, Yo, watch I write that's a BB Kings did and watch them close it. Animal abuse.
Animal abuse. Animal abuse.
Animal abuse.
Yo, man, you kill them people here, just you know.
Animal abuse. Yo, where the place with it?
Yo, yes, Rihanna did there, dog. You're telling you out here bright. Out here is very, very bright.
Give me that arm.
So, brother, I watch them girl up here, so. And drop off all that laughing. We are watching that picture, dog. So finally, we reached the infamous Times Square. See the everybody know the red seats them from Times Square. You know what I mean? And that everybody always come at the city for see the red seats them. If you sit down at the red seats them, have to take a picture of the red seats them. The famous red steps them. Times Square. You don't know the famous red steps them at Times Square. We used to chat the city, you know what I mean? We used to walk up and down. Performance, sketches, no negative. City body, city life. They count up money. They don't know say they don't feel they start count up money. You only can charge on the phone yourself if you don't want to, you know.
They charge up like that.
How much you must sell peanut for? How much?
Anyone, 2 for 5.
Yo, them peanut are bad still, you know. When you say peanut? So 3 for how much?
2 for 5.
Yeah, and how much for 3?
How much is for 3? Talk to us, Zim.
7.
$7? Which one
You
now?
couldn't do 3 for 6?
Let's save and then give me 7.
No, we couldn't give you 3 for 6.
What do you want, man?
You said 3 for 7, right?
Yeah.
Alright, blessings.
I want my own custom cashew, man.
Yeah. Yeah, we all get bigs. Cashew? Try same thing, yeah. Yo, them have body in there, dog. Respect. Yo, they warm.
What?
They warm. Warm, Pino. Respect. That bad. Not yet. We're busy right now. We'll probably circle back. Shit, yeah. Yo, I'm not telling a lie. Them cashew are some of my best cashew ever. Them cashew are bad. Them bad. All the people don't know about them. Them bad. Yeah, man, I'm gonna smash them right now and link on the back. Wake him up, my pink. Wake up a man and tell him man say I'm missing train, man. Wake up a man and tell him I'm missing train, dog. Yo, me not lie. Focus. Sit down and talk to. Oh, this will come. See it, from this, so I also come when we see Rihanna in Sephora. Right now we're there and I be a mad people in the city. Everybody in the city crazy. She sit down there start talk to somebody when I don't see who she talk to. Watch her, she a nod. What she a do? You come like a mad black with the pan. She a fly now. Roger. Go on with the road. Suppose she look up here and start run with them. And you mean if I take her myself? I probably have razor in her back there. Me not watch him no more, me gone. So right now we're about to go shopping. It's like 2 o'clock and we're in the H&M. We're in the H&M in the city. Yo, the H&M are huge. We just left floor 1. We about to go floor 2, then we go floor 3, because I'm on section at 3rd floor. It's crazy. So right now, you don't know we at Madison Square Garden. Big up Knicks. You know what I mean?
Mixtape.
Yeah, one see the nice little building, you know?
Garden.
Big up Madison Square Garden. Man same is a elephant. Big up who, LeBron?
LeBron, man. Bron, man. Watch next season.
They tight because they want Zion.
They can look at KD and Kyrie. They dead it.
Yeah, they want everybody, dog. They want KD, they want Kyrie, they want Zion.
Where they think they go get Zion?
And you know say basketball game and play, right?
The word.
Yeah, man, everything playing there. So Jay-Z performing there. So greats of greats enter in the building, yeah. One time, yes, I know so Tikashi bust some shot too. Oh, I Barclays Center, them bust shot in the garden. So what? This is one you go lick up in a one. Yo, man, hate taxi at nice city. Yo, them call it mad, yo. Literally mad, yo. Be a police out here. Police they have a block in the city. And taxi, yo, they have a ban taxi off a road and just Lego here. What they call them? Uber and Lyft. Some G's right now around 5 o'clock in the morning. Or 6 something. This one over here, so Biggs around there asleep. Biggs are asleep? Yeah man, Biggs are asleep, man. You wake up now, you hear me, I wake up. I just reached back my ends. So I'm about to go right now, 5 o'clock, and now I edit this tonight. So they can get the morning for watch. I don't upload the morning, I upload it like midday. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
when I'm tired, I'm on them bone up. Yo, I'll be a crackhead in
I'll be a mad people.
That's all my office. That's all my office. But yeah, man, I'm there.
And it's still active down there.
Yeah, man, the city's still out. But right now, just remember, like, subscribe, comment, all of them good stuff there. Yeah, look at that somebody over there. Yeah, me, I'll see things that you big up on yourself. Yeah,
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find